Welcome back to the Dinar Current channel, and thank you for tuning in to another major update. Many of you have been patiently holding your Iraqi dinar for years, enduring countless delays, contradictory reports, and shifting expectations. But today feels different. Across several regions, reliable information is surfacing that banks and authorized redemption centers are no longer just preparing or talking about exchanges, they are beginning to take action. For many investors, this marks the clearest signal in years that the revaluation process is transitioning from speculation into real-world activity. The shift in momentum is being felt throughout the dinar community. Increasingly, holders report receiving phone calls, emails, or official notifications from their banks advising them to get ready for in-person appointments. Not everyone has been contacted yet, but the overall tone of these communications is consistent. The time to prepare is now. This isn't about rushing or panicking, but rather about making sure everything is in order so that when your chance comes, the exchange process is smooth and stress-free. Insiders note that the rollout is methodical and controlled. Not all banks are participating in the earliest stages, and only certain branches with trained staff appear to be managing initial exchanges. These locations have been quietly prepared in advance to handle the process efficiently. While this may appear like a slow start, the structure ensures clarity and prevents confusion. Broader participation from more banks is expected once the first phase proves stable. If you have been given direct instructions from your bank or a redemption center, it's critical to follow them precisely. For those still waiting to be contacted, patience is essential. Each situation may differ based on your region, bank relationships, and verification history. This process is not unfolding in the same way for everyone, and understanding that fact will help reduce stress and unnecessary speculation. Preparation is key. Start with the basics. Keep your currency in good condition, organized by denomination, and gather your identification documents. A passport, driver's license, or other government-issued ID will likely be required. In some cases, proof of purchase or other documents requested by the bank may also be necessary. Having all paperwork ready will prevent delays once your appointment is set. Early reports suggest that after meeting with bank staff, many holders are being instructed to stay available by phone and expect follow-up appointment confirmations. These communications are not vague updates but rather direct outreach intended to finalize arrangements. Slowly but surely, the once quiet background activity is becoming visible. For longtime holders, this development is a powerful validation. What many thought might never happen is now showing clear signs of moving forward. But remember, the exchange is just the beginning. What comes after is equally important. Managing new funds wisely will determine long-term stability. While this isn't financial advice, it's worth preparing your accounts, understanding deposit procedures, and setting clear goals in advance. Forethought is essential to making the most of this opportunity. On a larger scale, Iraq's journey has been shaped by years of sanctions and outside control, which once limited the country's ability to freely manage its currency. That has now changed. With sanctions lifted, the Central Bank of Iraq has gained full autonomy over exchange rate policy. This marks a turning point for Iraq's financial independence and explains why developments are now accelerating. Still, caution is wise. After years of false starts, skepticism is natural. The best approach is to focus on verified, reliable sources rather than rumors. Avoid reacting to unconfirmed claims and stay grounded in fact-based updates. When your appointment comes, the process will be straightforward. Bank staff are trained to guide you step by step. You won't need to provide unnecessary details, just follow their instructions carefully. If any paperwork or agreement is unclear, ask for clarification before signing. Taking the time to understand everything is both responsible and necessary. For many, this exchange is more than financial, it's emotional. It represents closure after years of waiting and the possibility of easing long-standing financial challenges. This moment has been anticipated for over a decade, and approaching it calmly and prepared will make the experience far more rewarding. It's also worth noting that not all exchanges are happening under identical terms. Some reports suggest that private arrangements allow for unique rates, while others proceed under standard conditions. Experiences may vary, but the important point is that the process has begun. This is not a one-day event but a phased rollout. Some holders are already moving through the exchange process, while others will follow in the coming days and weeks. The pace is deliberate, prioritizing stability over speed. For those who have been part of this journey from the start, the current stage is about readiness and discipline. Don't feel pressured to force the process. Being prepared when your time comes matters more than rushing. This period will likely go down as a major milestone in the history of the dinar. The smartest way to approach it is with patience, organization, and clear planning. The main points remain unchanged. Stay reachable, keep your documents in order, follow credible updates, and be prepared for that call or email confirming your appointment. The long wait is finally giving way to action. I'll continue monitoring the situation closely and sharing confirmed updates as they develop. For now, remain calm, stay prepared, and get ready to take the necessary steps when your opportunity arrives. The moment many have waited years for is now unfolding in real time.